ఎందుకనేది నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ఒక్క నిమిషం కూర్చో, క్లాస్ మొదలవుతుంది ఇప్పుడే. Very good morning. Now actually the details I asked you yesterday, that work is going on. 360-degree details of the students have to be filled in the department's website. That is what is being done. Now I have sent the attendance link. Please fill the.
Sir, other biometric is not coming, sir, in me, sir.
See, please don't ask me about other biometric. I told you a number of times you have to talk to office hostel manager, sir. I don't know about that. Please ask somebody. Only yours is not coming. The others are also unable to get it.
Sir, I asked to Srinivas, sir, means sir said that we will forward to the MeSeva persons, then you can do his thing, sir.
Yeah, please, you have to. I sent the number of Srinivas, sir. If anybody is not there in the group, you can send me personally, and I will send the number of Srinivas, sir, because I don't know. When I don't know, if you ask me about English or if you ask me something like this, I can tell you the details. But that scholarship has to be looked after by only hostel manager. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Hostel manager sarke telustadi how to link that. What are the things you have to do? You will know only from Srinivas, sir. Yeah, you please fill the attendance. I sent the link. If you don't get, I will. Yesterday I forgot to send the link on WhatsApp. Today I will send the attendance link on WhatsApp. You can, those who did not get can fill for yesterday and today. Okay?
Sir, wait చేస్తున్నారంట సార్ లాబీలో.
Emma?
లాబీలో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారంట సార్.
ఎక్కడమ్మా?
లాబీలో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారంట సార్ స్టూడెంట్స్.
వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారా? వస్తున్నా, రైట్.
Sir, you gave a small assignment on Saturday, sir.
Yes. Yes, please remind me on Monday. Today we have to begin another topic. Already we have lost some time because of the 360-degree work. Let us begin asking for and giving directions, and then please remind me on Monday. Okay? Now everybody has joined?
Okay, sir.
Is there anybody waiting? Hope everybody has joined now. Still they are unable to join. I don't know why. There is some problem with them at their side. Already I pressed admit all. In spite of that, they are unable to join. Now asking for and giving directions. Let us begin this. Before that, let me ask you very quickly, you tell me what are the lessons we have completed so far. Before going into directions, quickly.
Expressing obligations, fixing and cancelling appointments,
Making requests, appointment, extending and accepting
cancelling appointments,
accepting invitations,
extending and accepting invitations,
And then
giving instructions.
yeah,
giving instructions,
giving instructions is the last one. These are the 4 lessons we have completed
scheduling an
so far.
appointment.
Sufficiently we have practiced, and then today we shall take up asking for and giving directions. Asking for and giving directions. When do you ask for direction and when do you give direction? Or let me ask you another simple question. You have to go to the town hospital, but you are new to the town. How do you locate the hospital? You tell me. See, frequently some students are getting disconnected and every time I have to accept them. You have to go to the town hospital, but you are new to the town. You don't know. You went to Mancheriala, for example, or you went to some town in Kerala. You don't know where that particular park is located. You have to ask. How do you locate that place, that park? What will you do?
Sir, sometimes we can go with the phone in GPS.
Yes,
sir.
very good, very good.
Google Maps.
Google Maps.
Now we have a very beautiful instrument, mobile phone, and in which you can easily locate any place on GPS. You can search. But in some areas like Munnar, it is a hilly area where telephone signals won't work and you don't have even internet. What will you do?
We
When you-
ask the people.
The people who are around, we can ask them, sir.
But people will ask around who are
Yeah, how do you ask?
Do you know the hospital?
Yeah, what is the sentence, please?
Where is that hospital located?
Yeah, where is the hospital located, right?
Do you know where the
Do
hospital
you know
is?
where the hospital is, right? Very good.
Could
You
you
know-
please tell where the hospital is located?
Can you
Very
share?
good. Very good.
Can you please tell me the where the
Can you please
Would
tell
you
me
please share that where is the hospital has located?
Yes, very good. You know all the expressions. Can you please? Would you please? Could you please? Will you please tell me? These are the various. If you know these expressions, you have completed this lesson. We can say very easily. So only questions like this will come in your exam. You will be given a situation like this. You have to go to the town hospital, but you are new to the town. Instead of how do you locate the hospital, ask for directions. This will be the question. You have to go to the town hospital, but you are new to the town. Ask for directions. That question may come. Or somebody has come to the town and that person wants to go to the hospital. He asked you about the location of the hospital. How do you give directions? Okay. These are the two types of questions which can come from this lesson. Now, how do you give directions? If someone asks you about an address, you know, say for example, the same first sentence, hospital. You know the location of the hospital. Somebody has asked you about the location of the hospital. How do you give directions? Tell me. All of you must be knowing at least one hospital in your area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you give directions?
The hospital is at
Directly, you give the sentences. The sentences you are going to speak with that person.
First you
Sir,
turn right
I'm
and
Swati,
turn
sir.
left.
You go straight and take left.
Yeah, you go straight
They'll-
and take left.
hospital
Near
is
that hospital, Big Bazaar is located.
Yeah, there you find Big Bazaar.
the
And-
hospital
nearby college?
Please go
Ah.
straight and turn left. There you can find a more shop.
Yeah,
There will be the hospital located. We'll say like that.
right. Very good.
hospital is opposite some shopping mall.
Yeah, you have already done. What have you done? You have given some landmarks. What are the landmarks we can give? Landmark mean what is meant by landmark?
Places, post office.
Places.
Yeah, post office, hospital, temple.
Shopping mall.
Hospital,
Theater.
shopping mall,
Bus
Colleges.
stand,
Yeah,
colleges.
yeah. Any big things, any big, very important locations. They are called landmarks. Community hall, or town hall, or Srinivasa theater, or something.
Sir, circle, sir.
Popular
Circle. Chaurasta circle.
Yeah, crossroads, Chaurasta, crossroads. Any important location is a landmark. You will find a Buddha statue there or Ambedkar statue. I think in every town we have Ambedkar statue, right?
Yes, sir.
Every
Yes,
town,
sir.
everywhere you have, every town has a Gandhi statue and Ambedkar statue. You can say there you find Ambedkar statue at the crossroads, turn right side, go straight for a kilometer and then turn left at the post office, go straight. After a furlong, you will find the hospital on your right hand side. Okay? This is how you can answer when you get such question. Now read the dialogue very quickly.
Mr. Suresh, excuse me.
Excuse me, do you know where the polytechnic is?
Yes.
You mean the government polytechnic?
Policeman, you mean the government polytechnic at Masab? Suresh, yes. Policeman, who said you reach the
Do you know
flyover?
where the
Flyover
polytechnic
is not
is?
far. Suresh, okay. Take left turn.
Is anyone
It
not
walk
in
if
Tank is first right, reach the
to your left.
flyover is
Suresh,
far
okay.
away.
Facing it on the
The
opposite
left
side of
on
the
the
road
opposite
is
side
the
of the road
government
is the
polytechnic.
government yards, and you will
Thank you very much. Police Masta.
put on your left side. Okay.
on the opposite side of the road?
Facing it on the opposite side of the road is the government polytechnic Masab Tank. Thank you very much, policeman.
Very much, policeman. Welcome.
Okay, if you get any question like this, give directions or ask for directions. You can write either a dialogue like this, or you can write only the sentences of the person who gives directions. Okay, so see, we have learned some expressions here. Do you know where the polytechnic is? This is how you have to ask. This is one of the ways to ask direction. Do you know where the polytechnic is? Do you know where the hospital is? Do you know where the post office is? Do you know where the theater is? Okay. You mean the government polytechnic at Masab Tank? Yes. This is how you have to answer. Go straight till you reach the flyover. You have to be specific. You can't say go straight and you will find Masab Tank Polytechnic on your left hand side. If you say like this, the other person doesn't know for how long he has to travel. He has to travel for half an hour, or 1 hour or 5 minutes or 10 minutes for a furlong, or for approximately you have to give the distance also 1 kilometer, travel for a kilometer, or you'll find a flyover. The flyover is not far away. So he has given clearly. And then after the flyover, take the left turn. Okay. Walk a few yards, just a few yards, and you will see Golconda Hotel on your left side. Okay. Facing it. Facing it means what is meant by facing it? Opposite.
Coming across.
Across the road, or opposite. Facing it. On the opposite side of the road is the government polytechnic Masab Tank. Okay. This is how you can give. It is a sample dialogue. Now you can please write these sentences, various expressions to ask for directions. You please read. The moment you see the sentence, you please read. Read it aloud.
Can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you please tell me where the bus stop is?
Could you
Tell
tell
me where the bus stop is?
Do you know
Where the library is?
where is the library?
Do you have any idea where Andhra Bank is?
See, instead of bus stop, we have changed the top.
Library.
Yeah, library or Andhra Bank.
Library to Andhra Bank. Please tell me where the post office
Tell me where the
Yeah,
post
this is the direct way of asking for direction. Directly.
Any idea where
where the market is? Would you mind telling me where the St.
So how many ways? In how many ways we have asked for direction? Nine ways. These are only some ways. These are only some ways of asking for direction. So you have to remember all these expressions in your life also. You can use various expressions. If you repeat the same expression, it gives you boredom. Okay? That is why you have to use different expressions. Can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you please tell me where the bus stop is? Could you tell me where the bus stop is? Do you know where the bus stop is? Do you have any idea where the bus stop is? Please tell me where the bus stop is. Any idea where the bus stop is? Would you mind telling me where the bus stop is? See, these are the various ways of asking for direction. Please note down. Anyway, I will send you the notes afterwards, but meanwhile, you note them in your notebook. Are you noting down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note them down quickly.
So MS Office is word के Excel की difference है. Excel like process the
చెప్తురాక మీకు
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, have you noted down all the sentences?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, please write them down quickly. It seems some of you have not noted down.
Finished, sir.
Now, please complete these sentences using the earlier expressions. Use all the earlier expressions and complete these sentences.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Use all these sentences, all these expressions. Can anyone tell me? Can you tell me? Can you please tell me? Could you tell me? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Please tell me any idea. Would you mind telling me? See, use all these 9 expressions and complete these 3 sentences. Yeah, can you please begin from the first sentence, Swati?
Can any one of you tell me where the railway station is?
Yeah.
Can you tell me where the railway station is?
Yeah.
Can you please tell me where the railway station is?
Yeah.
Could you tell me where the railway station is?
Yeah.
Do you know where the railway station is?
Yes.
Do you have any idea where the railway station is?
Yes.
Please tell me where the railway station is.
Yeah.
Any idea where the railway station is?
Yeah.
Could you mind telling me where the railway station is?
Yeah, instead of would you mind, would you mind is better. Would you mind?
Would you mind where the railway station
Would you,
is?
no, it is incomplete. Would you mind?
Telling
Would
me
you
the
mind
Yeah.
telling me where the railway station
Yes,
is?
yes. Now you are correct. But one small correction, Swati.
Okay,
It is not
sir.
railway, it is railway. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Railway, railway. It has to be said railway. Now I want another person to speak the same sentences with the hospital.
sir Jyoti.
Yeah, Jyoti.
Sir Pushpa, sir.
Yeah, after Jyoti,
Can-
Pushpa will speak about ATM.
Can anyone tell me where the hospital is?
Yeah.
Can you tell me where the hospital is?
Yeah, hospital. It is hospital. Okay.
Hospital. Okay. sir.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me where the hospital is?
Yeah.
Could you tell me where the hospital is? Do you know where the hospital is? Do you have any idea where hospital is? Please tell me where the hospital is. Any idea where the hospital is? Would you mind telling me where the hospital is?
Yes, correct. And Pushpa. You can speak about ATM.
Tell me where?
Pushpa.
Yes, sir. Can anyone tell me where an ATM is?
Where an ATM is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Can you tell me where an ATM is?
Yes.
Can you please tell me where an ATM is?
Yes.
Could you tell me where an ATM is?
Yeah.
Do you have any idea where an ATM is?
Yes.
Please tell me where an ATM is.
Yes.
Do you know where an ATM is?
Yes.
Do you have any idea where an ATM is?
Yes.
Please tell me where. Sorry. Please
Where?
tell me where
Hmm.
an ATM is.
Yeah.
Any idea where an ATM is?
Yeah.
Would you mind telling where an ATM is?
Telling me or telling me. Yeah. Correct. All of you have spoken nicely. But the thing is, you have to remember all these expressions. When the situation comes, what you do usually is you go for the seventh sentence only. Usually you do that. Please tell me where the post office is, or please tell me where the Andhra Bank is. Please tell me where the library is. Please tell me where the Manju theater is. Please tell me where more market is. See, this is what you use usually. But instead of just using please tell me, you can use all the other expressions. Then your language becomes beautiful. You have to use other expressions. Can you please tell me? Can you tell me? Could you tell me? Would you mind telling me? So you, whenever the situation demands, you have to use various expressions, not just one expression. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now another situation is given here. Now we are left with only 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we will get disconnected. Afterwards, I will send you attendance link on WhatsApp also. You can, those who have not got attendance can give attendance on WhatsApp for yesterday and today. Yeah. Now you are in Hyderabad. You have to attend an interview at High Tech City. Ask a stranger. I mean, that means you meet a stranger near, maybe near High Tech City or not near High Tech City. You have to ask where it is and how to get there. Write a dialogue. Stranger and you. Or just tell me your sentences. Ask for directions in the situations given below. In the situation given below. Ask for direction. You met a stranger on the road. Ask him or ask her for direction to High Tech City in Hyderabad. Yes. You can spontaneously speak a sentence. Or you can write a sentence in your notebook and then tell me.
Can anyone tell me?
Yeah, who wants to speak? Apart from Swati, Jyoti and Pushpa, these three have spoken already today. Harini wants to speak, it seems.
Sir, can anyone
Hmm.
where the high-tech city is? No.
Yeah, you met a stranger, not anyone. You met only one person on the road. Ask that person about the direction to high-tech city.
Can you tell me where the high-tech city is?
Yeah.
Can you please tell me where the high-tech city is?
Yes.
Do you know where the high-tech city is?
Right.
Would you mind telling me where the high-tech city is?
Right.
Any idea where the high-tech city is?
Right.
Could you tell me where the high-tech city is?
Right.
Any idea where the high-tech city is?
Right.
Please tell me where the high-tech city is. Thank you, sir.
Right. Very good. You have given all the sentences nicely. But in the exam, if this question comes, only one sentence is enough. If they ask you to write 2 or 3 expressions, then you can write 2 or 3 sentences. If they don't ask like that, you can just give only one sentence. One sentence asking for direction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now next, you have to visit a friend who is in hospital. Ask a person at the bus stop how to reach the hospital. Now we have less than